we were giving away someone's ultimate dream build, and Andre here was the winner, which was awesome. And I guess after talking to him post the event, his ultimate build is sharing the prize with his good friend Jared. So for the total sum, we've actually managed to change the spec, but provide bikes for Andre and Jared to take home as a result of the prize. So for Andre, this is his ultimate build. We just won't tell Jared that we've made your spec a little bit better though. A little bit lighter, a little bit faster.
I hope you would, yeah.
Oh, we definitely have. We've definitely favoured it.
Yeah, it's good to shave a bit of time off next year for Taupo anyway.
Yeah, awesome.
It's a good one to tick off. You feel the accomplishment of doing 160 Ks. Yeah, nothing beats it. Win or lose, that's real good.
Completing the package, we have our RC903 shoes and a brand new helmet too, a Z1. So,
see you guys.
What's your ultimate bike build? Will we see you at this year's Shimano Round the Lake Cycle Challenge?